This is 5 Minutes with Mary. I am Mary. Thank you for tuning in today. Today I want to talk about forming an LLC or to incorporate. LLC stands for Limited Liability Corporation. A corporation can be an S Corp or C Corp. S Corp is a subchapter corporation which is taxed under IRS pass-through, which means it is taxed on your personal return. A C Corp is a legal entity that protects the owner's personal assets from creditors. Unlike an LLC or S Corp, C Corp pays taxes at the corporate level. You need to consider 4 areas when deciding on an LLC or corporation. These 4 areas are: 1. Limited liability protection. 2. Management and control. 3. Funding options. 4. Tax consequences for the owners and the business. 1. Limited liability. Both types provide limited liability protection. Both are legal entities. Shareholders of a corporation and the members of an LLC are only at risk for the entity's debts. Corporations are at risk from the creditors of a shareholder. Judgment creditors of a shareholder can attach the shareholder's stock and assume all rights. In an LLC, the creditor can't touch the member's ownership. 2. Management and control. In a corporation, ownership is separated from control. Shareholders own the corporation but have limited control rights. Shareholders can elect the board, remove the board, do mergers, asset sales, and dissolutions. LLC members decide how to manage. The operations agreement is the key by specifying that it can be manager-managed. This overrides the state's requirements. Number 3, funding options. Corporations are more attractive to passive investors. It is far easier to offer stock options in order to attract talent. Easier to obtain bank loans also. With an LLC, to obtain financing, LLC must make the investor a member, which carries far more rights to control the business. A LLC can also have passive members. LLC distributions are based on operating agreements. Profits and losses can be allocated differently if listed in the operating agreement. Number 4, tax consequences. A corporation is a separate tax-paying entity. The corporation pays corporate taxes on net income. Also, it pays the shareholders dividends from the after-tax income. You may have heard the term double tax. That's what this means. S corporations have elected to be taxed by the pass-through to the personal returns. LLC are taxed on the personal 1040. Consider the 4 factors to help determine which entity structure is best for your business. Talk to a trusted legal and tax advisor. Well, that's all for today. Once again, thank you for tuning in, and my email address for questions and comments is askmary101@yahoo.com. Once again, that's askmary101@yahoo.com. Take care.